Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TNJU. And actually for the past few days, I've been I had a fever and a pretty hard cough and cold. So yeah, basically I've been sick for the past few days, and this is my first time recording really anything in a while. But you know, I did make an FNF cover, not a FNF cover, a bunch of them actually, while I was still sick, which is kind of wild when you really think about it. Anyways, last time, which is why I'm being kind of quiet today, because my voice still isn't perfect. Feeling much better now though, so yeah. Anyways, last time, that's why I'm more quiet in this. I'm gonna be more quiet in this episode. So last time we were playing as Golden Freddy, and then we followed PC-98 Reimu into a future version of Gensokyo, which was destroyed by something. I don't know what destroyed this Gensokyo, but can't be good. And in the previous episode, we met Clown Piece and the two Yukuris, which were actually secret bosses. Not secret, I guess secret bosses technically, bonus bosses in episode 1, which is interesting because that implies that the bonus / extra bosses are canon, which is pretty cool. And speaking of Clown Piece, she fucking messed with some sort of weird orb thingies that opened up an ultra wormhole that sucked us into this weird ass dimension with voidlings running around. And we beat up Void Portal last time. Void Portal A, a larger living cluster of the endless darkness, and probably your way back home. Doesn't look like only darkness can be seen. Doesn't look like drops anything. And yeah, we beat that guy last time, and we got a new skill, Golden Charge, where Golden Freddy gradually charges up TP. That should be pretty useful. We also got stronger, and we got this Diamond Shard, which is, I don't know what this is for yet, but it's probably for something. It's definitely gonna be used for something. Mysterious shards that fell from the portal. So yeah, after we defeated that portal, this portal opened up, and now we're gonna see what happens when we jump in.
Now, let's see what's on the flip side. Hopefully a way back.
Hopefully. And he's gone. He's out of there. What the hell? We almost just said the exact same thing. Again.
Is that me?
Remilia?
An anime girl.
God damn it, Golden Freddy, I thought Ray already told you about this. Touhou isn't an anime, so they're not anime girls.
Could this be their world in the past?
Fucking shit. I completely forgot her birthday. God, if I had known, I would have prepared a gift beforehand. Now what do I fucking do?
Excuse me, Remy? Whose birthday are you talking about?
What the bloody hell is that?
What the bloody hell is that?
Holy fuck. A giant metal plushie.
A plushie, okay.
Where on earth did it come from? Bah, fuck it. If I can use this as a birthday present, then I have no complaints here.
She's just dragging Golden Freddy away. What the hell? Kind of look like a spare costume or something. I don't know. I mean, whatever version of Golden Freddy that was, don't look like he was like fighting back at all.
I think I remember. During one of my hangovers, I fell into a random space-time wormhole and ended up here. Hit my head pretty hard too. After it, it's all black.
Ah.
I guess that lady is the one who dragged me to. Wait. Where exactly did I wake up? Well, no point in staying here and ponder. Better return to the void for now.
Yes. I hope we can find some more answers about that sooner rather than later. A path is open. Oh, are you talking about the path that was blocked before?
No.
Okay, fine. Don't want to go back there anyways. Because you can offer a sacrifice. I'm not sure what sacrifice you're talking about there. Since it's been a while, I guess I should like fight these dudes. The only way they can deal damage to me now is if they use that drag move. Just pretty. Their normal attacks can't do anything to me. Pretty cool. Boom. Nice. The boomerang throw. And they give like a lot of. They give a lot of tokens too. Speaking of which, I should probably restock on the items after that battle I had. Yeah, that seems good enough. I think this is the path. Hello there. Oh, come on. You know what? I'm gonna get one of my homies to finish you off for me. Because you're annoying. Yeah, I could just finish you off right now, but whatever. I'm summoning the Alpha Party Hat. And he avoided your attack. Because he's the best around. Nothing gonna stop. Nothing gonna take him down. Oh, Clown Piece, is that you?
Hey Goldie.
What's up?
So, I found one of those portals you mentioned. Bastard put up a good fight, but I managed to fuck it up real good. Anyway, I went through the portal. And what I find was Gensokyo. More specifically, Gensokyo before everything got fucked up.
So we more or less went through the same thing.
And, well, I kinda got trigger happy and dueled with Reimu from that time.
You what?
Look, I can't help it, alright. It's been too long since I had a good and thrilling fight. Anyway, regarding the portal, it would appear that all of them lead to different places. Looks like we have to fuck him up one by one until we find the exact one we need.
Great.
I'm glad you would say that.
Well, I better get going. Can't stand here for too long with those nasty vermin loitering around.
Wonder if we're ever gonna meet up with Clown Piece at some point. I can't go there yet. Great. I don't know how to offer a sacrifice, I'm sorry. There is another vending machine here though.
Vending machine. I'm good.
That's pretty good. Is there gonna be new enemies here for me to fight? I'm assuming so. Nope, it's just the same voidlings. You did not get mind controlled, how dare you! Oh no, I shivered in fear. Now I'm definitely gonna need my alpha homie. You ain't gonna do shit. Haha. If we get lucky, oh, never mind. I was gonna say if we get lucky, then Golden Freddy might be able to hit an attack while being blind, but his blindness already wore off. Thanks for the help. Thanks for the assist, Alpha Party Hat. X-large soda, one of those, because I need me one of those, and a birthday present. God damn it. I'm assuming there's gonna be like a portal somewhere around here. There it is. I'm assuming that it's gonna do like the engage the portal motherfucker thing again.
Engage the portal motherfucker.
Yeah. I mean, technically I don't have to grind. I already have like enough stuff as is. But I'm gonna grind either way. I'm gonna grind anyway, so I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. And I fought 2 sets of 4 voidlings, and I got a bunch of more a bunch more stuff. So let's save file 75, and then let's fight this. Let's mess this guy up. Void portal B. Alright. Resist confusion and sleep. A larger living cluster of the endless darkness. Fuck it up and find a way back. Okay. Let's... I guess golden charge would be good here. And I'm gonna try to paralyze him. Emphasis on try here. Nope, it didn't work. The good thing is, we can already summon an Alpha Party Hat, which is good. Oh god, I am in fear. So we can poison him. I could like summon like a whole entire ass army if I... with this like new golden charge ability I have. It's pretty cool, actually. Golden March. Lowers defense. He did not attack himself. That sucks. Give him an XR soda. I got a beta party hat on my side now. Golden charge. You need to heal Golden Freddy, because if he dies, then this is kind of pointless. Accuracy. Spewed flames. Okay. Golden stinger. Lowers attack. Lowers his speed. I mean, I'm pretty sure we're already faster than him anyway, so who cares about his speed? Ah, he's paralyzed. Good. That's really good. Give yourself a donut. Give him a haze candy. You scream and in his face. Nice crit. I need Phantom Freddy. That's what I need. That's who I need. You know what? Try to mind control him again. Poison him. Give him a donut. Damn it, it didn't affect. Give yourself an extra large soda. For the love of God, please, just poison him. That's all I... Okay, there you go. Nice. Now. Ooh, I can do double golden toss. That would be really good. Actually, let me do golden stinger first and then golden toss. And both of you scream in his face. God damn it, that lowers my attack by so much. Whatever. Alright. Time to summon this bitch. Bam. Lower his defense and lower his accuracy, I guess. Come on out, Phantom. Oh, no, not Phantom. What am I talking about? I meant Shadow Freddy, but apparently Shadow Bonnie can be summoned as well. Which is just as cool. Drowsing lens, stunning lens, poison lens, bunny bop. Yeah, try to paralyze him and bash him in the head. Nice. Okay, the beta party hat is gone. Paralyze him. Poison him. God damn it. Stop not getting paralyzed. I'm summoning another Alpha Party hat. Bunny Bop again. Yeah, that deals a lot of damage. Pretty sure Shadow Bonnie's gonna like disappear this turn though. Yep. The shadows are so good, but they only last for like 3 turns. It's not fair, man. So not fair. Don't worry, we only have a little bit longer to go. And he's paralyzed. Golden Toss. Get rid of his blindness. Nice. Give him donuts. Stop giving Golden Freddy status conditions. That's so fucking annoying. Like, seriously. I'm summoning a Gamma. Poison him. Nice. Golden Toss. Lowers attack. Alright. Damn, he can't even hurt us anymore if we lower his attack. That's kind of sad, actually. You know what, since he's poisoned, everybody just scream at him. He can hurt the Gamma, but he can't hurt Golden Freddy. Every little bit of damage counts. poison him because you know what? It's at that point it's not worth it to attack because your attack is lowered. Try to confuse him. Doesn't work. Oh, nice. And the Gamma Party Hat got the last attack in, despite being blind. How does that feel? Yay!